Amazon just announced their ChatGPT rival. So, what is it? It's Amazon Q. In this video, we'll explore whether Amazon Q is the answer to ChatGPT. Both ChatGPT and Amazon Q are generative AI-powered assistants. They are designed to generate human-like responses to prompts and questions. The main difference between them is their intended use case. ChatGPT is a more general-purpose AI language model that can be used for a wide range of applications, while Amazon Q is designed specifically for business use and to streamline employee work tasks. Amazon Q is a relatively new entrant in the generative AI space, but it has already shown a lot of promise. So is Amazon Q a threat to ChatGPT? Not really, since both have different focus area, they probably won't have any impact on each other. While it remains to be seen what Amazon is capable of in generative AI space. It is clear that Amazon is investing heavily in generative AI and is committed to being a major player in this space. Who will win the AI war? Nobody knows. But one thing is for sure, the future of AI assistance is looking brighter than ever. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching.